Ia, whaatalo whāture nei tūla o le awhi I o tō ona whuiring nei. Ting, 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 ting. Ia, malore mafuta mare nei tūla o le awhi. Testing, testing, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2. I need to test if you can. Can you hear me, ladies and gentlemen? Ia, o tō ona nei ono ti lai watu nei I sini au se tā lia po o langona mai. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, everyone? Ia, ro whatai tari atu tātō ma lo whaarorungia nea whiawhi ia le uso ia Mr. Samoan Superman from Brisbane, Australia. So once you come online uso, yeah, we will bring you on board and we'll have okay, allow the audience to ask participants. Okay. Share Charlie. The thing of technology, man. Where are you, Charlie? Mr. Superman, are you online? Maror Saifua. Okay, Seki. Thank you, Tarita, Marina. Thank you very much. Let's go. Share our live. Yeah, ole whaatai tali atu ia la tātou maolo whaarongia ne whiawhi. Yeah, leuso ia Mr. Superman. Can someone message him? Jerry Lale, share our live. Malo mafuta mai Twitter, wa fi o muatu lo wata. Let's go. Oh yes, he is here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, brother. Yes. Adding you now, my uso. Share the live, please. Everyone. Can you hear me, Uzo? Oh, yes. Show yourself, my bro.
Oh.
Hello, Mr. Superman.
We're having technical difficulties.
Can you hear me, Uzo?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, Seki. Can you see yourself on the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Technology.
I can't see you also.
Yeah, but I think can someone comment if you can see both of us on your screens? Hello, lead Reds. Can someone comment through if you can see both of us on your screen? That's all viewers. Welcome everyone. I'm sure they can see us. Can you see us, LLD Reds, please? Yes, we can. Okay. Seki, let's go. Faftailava Pisao, Samast. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, yeah. Welcome our special guest all the way from Brisbane. I am here in Sydney, Australia. Mr. Samoan Superman. Now, I'm going to share a story how I get to know you also before I'm going to leave you into it. So, I first saw you getting interviewed by a TV. I'm not too sure which news. And then I saw you on fire at Suncorp. Now, my apologies. My wife is not going to like this, but we were about to come to chase the marching at Suncorp. But instead of us going to the train station, my wife took us to the bus station. my older son was so angry. So we went to is it Mount Cravette? Is that how you pronounce it, Uzo?
Yeah, Mount Cravette, yeah.
Yeah, so instead of going to the Mount Cravette train station, we ended up at the bus station. But you know what? It was the best problem because we ended up going straight from one bus straight to the stadium right next to the gate. So that was a positive outcome. Now, but tonight, also today, it's about you, my brother. I'm gonna leave it to you. You can share where you're from in Samoa. What's your story? I know you used to live here in Sydney, so you're gonna share everyone because man, you were on fire on Sunday, Mayuso. Over to you, Jolly.
Yeah, maro lavra so fua. Maka fo iwo maka fo ngai live. Hello everyone. Yeah, oro ngā o Charlie, Pualau. My makai is Vaikimu from my whenga, and also makai and Fushi Sāwhaka, Swakama. So, I'd like to say hello to everyone, you know. Humble beginnings, born in New Zealand, moved here in 1988, and just get o meo e mā kua o ngā fwoi e muli e whāngau.
So,
Hey. Other than that, you know, you ask me questions and I'll answer it because, like, how stories are. I don't want the viewers to get bored of, you know, Samoan Superman here.
Okay, Yuso. Now, tonight we're going to talk about the Blue Army movement. As you know, everyone knows that I'm only just came on board 2 weeks ago, but you know, I know Jerry Lale is camera shy, but we're not camera shy. We want to show our beautiful faces.
Why not?
Why not? Why not?
Why not?
So, Charlie, I'm gonna ask you, when did you start getting involved in the Blue Army movement from Moleuso, if you want to share?
Oh yeah, most definitely. The World Cup in 2022.
Yeah.
You know, that was an amazing World Cup.
Yes.
And I was sitting up here with my cousin Lucky Tofai, you know, I'm at home at the moment. Yeah. You know, like we lost quite heavily. But we, you know, as us being Samoans, you see, gave me kako, you know, we don't follow when we're losing, but we actually really got supported our team, and that's the beautiful thing. You know, like myself, I love the whole 685, you know, the Samoan movement. For me, it's really important, especially when, you know, our kids, all the New Zealand born. I'm a New Zealand born. I'm from West Auckland. I'm a SDA boy, New Lynn. That's my church. And moved here very young. Me ngā ele marosi fo ngā lelo u Samoa. O ke kama whai pēr nga, kamiki a whenga ele māsi mea. Sasi, bro, it's all good, you know.
All good also.
But
okay,
the Blue Army movement, it was beautiful. You know, like watching it with my cousin here, and we wanted to get the Northside people involved, so we started off with a little car parade. The same day that the West Side, Goodna, oh man, we'll call the A4 movie, that picture where Goodna came down with the truck and everything.
Yes.
That was a standout. That was beautiful. Respect to all the West Side Samoans here in Brisbane, and even, you know, Logan, and you know, like North Brisbane, where I'm from Caboolture. You know, we've got a few numbers here, but I think that whole movement really brought everyone together. You know, I joined the page with Jerry Lale when there was only like about 400 members or something like that. But then after those parades and everything showed up, it really took the Blue Army movement, and then it really took it to a different level. It went, you know, like it went crazy. But you know, like Mr. Lale, you know, like his brainchild and some of the other admins in that as well. Before I got involved, I done my own group page. It's called Tatuainga. And you know, like that, we've got like about 9,000 members at the moment. It's still growing really strong. That's how I became involved, and me becoming Samoan Superman, that's a completely different story. But I think it's all for the 685. You know, like I'm a real proud Samoan. And the other thing is, my dad's Tongan as well. So, you know,
Oh,
hey, don't say anyone, okay? But I'm a very proud 685 man. You know, like myself, you know, my wife is Niuean and Cook
yep.
Islander, and me
Oh,
being
nice.
Samoan, you know, 90% Samoan, 10% Tongan. But really, you know, like I'm very proud. I got a big bloodline of Tongan family. But
Mm,
you know, like doing this movement here really made my kids understand where their cultures are from. You know, like it really made them want to wave the flag and recognize what our flag means to us. And that's what I'm really proud about, this Blue Army movement that's going into Sydney. And
mm,
I love it. I absolutely love it. You know, I lived in Sydney for 10 years. You know, from Doonside, went to Parramatta. And then
mm,
I've got a lot of people that I know from, you know, Clacker Shack, Claymore. So I've got a lot of links in Sydney as well. So when I seen the Blue Army kick it over Sydney, I really wanted to be a part of it and be involved. And, you know, with yourself,
yeah.
amazing leader, and also Kamalo, Dan, he's the
Damn.
man, you know. But, you know, it's awesome. It's growing to Sydney, and Sydney's got the most Samoans in Australia. But
100%.
I know the Blue Army page in Sydney can reach about 40, 50,000 easy.
Yeah.
If you got a
Yeah.
little bit of you that's Samoan, join the page, man. You know what I mean?
100%. 100%. Now, fast forward your story into Sunday Uso. How was that experience for yourself
Oh,
and myself? Man, I'm still tearing when I watch those highlights, to be honest.
it was good. Sydney energy, Brisbane energy, man.
Yeah.
The vibe, it's different. You
Yeah.
know, like, but the thing is, like, it's different because, like, us here in Brisbane, you know, we all sunshine, so we all Queenslanders and Broncos. But
Ah,
in Sydney, you guys got
um,
so many teams,
can I
but
remove?
just
Can I remove you now? Nah.
that's why Samoan Superman has always got his Broncos. Because, like, I'm from Brisbane, I always got to represent my team, which is the Brisbane Broncos,
Yeah, that's
and
it.
we won, so I like to show it loud and proud. But the thing
Yeah.
is, like, the movement, you know, like the energy on that day was, oh man, I couldn't believe it. It was so good. It was so good. Like all the Samoans, o le singa me, ko kele Samoa. Hey, o mako inga malo makua, makua whaaro alo, kele ka, you know, us as a people. That's
Mm.
one thing that we love, you know, like, oh, I'm seeing Otto Suavai, Cairns got the most, oh, sorry, no. Sydney's got the most Samoans. I think they done a search and it was Campbelltown's got the most, eh?
Yeah,
That's
but
what I heard.
are you sure? Are you sure it's
Shout out
not
to
Vancouver?
Campbelltown, 2560 and 2559, you know, it's like a shack.
Yeah. Uh, so ole maka maka ko lau video le nga fai nga marka lo nga apa na. Ko te waka fia ka ngo kwa le upo le fai ka lo nga a. Ka fia ka ngo lima kwa ti em o male ya fo. Ile panka male malo fali ya so ya but o lo, you know, we won, our boys won in our hearts. Also.
You know, e kele me ka kaunga kako mawhawhau ai.
Mm.
O le mea whainga kako au. It's a good thing, in a way. We've got to
Yes.
think about it like this.
Mm.
If we won it, we would have probably been a bit too relaxed and got to our head.
Yeah.
You
For
know,
next
think
year.
about us Samoans, and, you know, as soon as we win, that's it. Well, oh, yeah. Yeah, well, mawhoi ngā mea, ngā World Cup, o mawhau pinga kako au. You know what I mean?
Yeah. True. True. True.
So, you know, like
I like
we're
that way
looking
of
for
thinking.
ways that we can better ourselves. And
Mm.
I think that loss, man, over a for operating our Liverpool.
Uh,
Oh, mate, chock a block, man. That was a mangry. Oi, sorry. Bro,
Mangry was Mokwa on fire,
Makwa.
bro.
Amazing. It was, you know, that's
Mm.
when you know that people, they got the, you know, blood with the Samoans, even the Tongans out there waving the flags, New Wayans, I've seen Cook Islanders.
Mm.
In a way, man, you know, like one island team wins, we all win. That's the
Mm.
thing. You know, like, a lot of us are divided because of Samoan, Tongi, Wayne, Cook Island, Maoli. Hey, if you ever angaraku o e Whakumuko Islands, we all the same people, brother.
Uh, so, if you want to share, you know, the vision of our of our Blue Army also, it would be so good. You know, you probably had a
Oh,
chat with Jerry or something like that. And then
yeah, well, Jerry's a very humble person,
mm,
and he's got these fantastic ideas, and the vision and the passion that he has for the Blue Army moving forward is the same vision that made me and also you jump on board also.
yeah,
You know, like it's good to have a platform like Blue Army
mm,
worldwide. You know, it was so good that Blue Army came together with the also from, you know, your family member from New Zealand that made this worldwide and turned it into like one massive platform, which
mm,
is good. That will keep all our people like notified and everyone informed of anything that's going on. That's what we want, you
mm.
know, but we can get organized like that, which is a beautiful thing. And
Yeah.
I think everyone, you know, like, don't give up, man. No way. You know, we're still holding our
No,
flags and waving it. But the movement going forward, I think if we can have like a page, kako makamaka o le amele kupu le kako World Cup, where we're gonna all meet as a place like even Auckland. You know, they got the worldwide one, which is Auckland, the biggest page.
mm,
So yeah, there's a lot of Samoans in Auckland. Um, if we can all move forward in that platform, the Blue Army will come under a banner like that, so we
mm,
can all be together and unified, and we can all be informed and be, you know, like we've got a committee there that can sort parades and everything to make it safe for everyone.
yeah,
And you know, like Mount Druitt's another massive population out there of Samoans. You know, like if
mm.
we get some leaders out there, you know, with yourself, Captain, yeah, we are the captain,
Cap-
and it'll be
Captain
good.
America.
That,
Ah. Pero wag ka mo so costume Captain America I
oh,
thought Captain Samoa lah.
o la Captain America e vakulu kako ka mga o te whai ma Lieutenant Dan
Yeah,
o
pa
sole
Lieutenant. Ah,
Lieutenant Dan. But I think
ole.
that's the vision going forward. At least me ka u ai ka kongo. Nah,
Yes,
it's a platform for all of us to be
for
together,
everyone.
informed of what is going to happen, how we can all meet
Mm,
together as one big, massive community, to be parading together and also marching together as one.
mm,
That's
100%.
why I think this whole blue movement, blue movement,
Blue Army.
blue
Yeah,
army
no
movement,
blue.
it's all about.
Yeah, sick. Uh, on Sunday, ole o ka ua, our interview comes from the heart also.
Ah, always, yeah,
On Sunday.
yeah.
I don't know about you, but what we've seen on Sunday, makuai he oi nei
So,
tamatina matutua also. You know,
ah,
they all listen to us leaders
mm,
ila solea. So which is I can understand for ingale il tatonga nusa mo we have respect. Ai o
yeah,
matuai o isi fo i o tamali i taualoa ole
yeah,
o tatou tunu. But
mm,
was hava vali faatasi uma fia faatasi ia mafaalelea le tanga vai o Samoa auso.
ah,
What's your, you know, you've seen it yourself.
ah,
If you want to
I
share with
have,
everyone.
and I've seen those marches happening in Brisbane. You know, like
Yeah,
what's the mem qua, well, you know,
yeah,
straight up, you know, like we are proud Samoans, and when we come to these big moments like this, we never get our whaaroaro, our respect, and our respect for our elders and
mm-hmm.
everything. That's what we're based on. That's what differentiates us from a lot of other people in the world. Ke ro foi ka ko walau li lo ka mai le loku ke yo ku mai ko fale. You know, you open up the whole car poki. You ka
That's
poki
all.
nga o sepele shopping e fai e whawhanga i whanga uri vai aso ai. Awaku uma e kali e maro. That's the way we are. That's what makes us different. And you
Yeah,
know, our heart, you know, it comes from the heart. We know
yes,
that you know, what we give, we don't expect it back, but we know that the Lord will bless us one day.
100%
Oh,
one day. 100%, and we are 100% on board as well also. So, you know, everyone, kako viewers, you know, share this video. Yeah, this is our Samoan Superman, all the way from Brisbane. So
Brisbane
next,
Vegas. Woohoo.
from where? Brisbane Vegas.
Brisbane Vegas, yeah. Yeah. You know, Brisbane,
Ole.
you know, like we got a lot of parts in Brisbane, but we all won here in Brisbane Vegas. And, you know, like the good thing is Brisbane are all one when we hold that flag up. We all one. You know, it doesn't matter if you're Sydney, Adelaide, Alice Springs, Cairns, Townsville, Auckland, Wellington, Invercargill, you know, like Pango, even Pango, man,
Even
they're holding
Samoa.
our flag too. It's all kuku flags.
Mm.
American Samoa flag, like we all the same.
Okay, so just Ole, I just want to clear up. A lot of people are saying, "Oh, so what's the Blue Army? Is it like a group? Is it like no? It's pretty much Samoans, sports
Yeah,
fans are also pretty
it
much
is.
all Samoans. It's just a name to put it. It's just a platform so you guys can get involved. I mean, get informed also.
Yeah.
Ole winga
Well,
tonu ole na aile whapeo say it's not a gang. No. It's not a gang. It's just a platform so that
it is.
everyone ina
Yeah.
ia o tō iloa ai, ia me ia o lo tutupu, ia tātou, ia tātou afoi, ia tātou movement. So next year, man, we got heaps of stuff next year, Jali.
Oh, heaps of stuff. So, you know,
Mm.
like maybe in the Blue Army movement, it's so good that, you know, we're supporting anything Samoa.
Yeah.
Apa pera, paile, netball, anything. So say, mea. You know,
Mm.
like we got the platform to go call on our people. Hey, because that's one thing that we didn't have before. We didn't have a platform where we can call everyone together so we can all celebrate as one.
Yeah.
That's what Blue Army is. It's that platform for everyone. Ele whabe mo ska kupe a uso whabe mo ska kupe o le vanga o ngofo le fale ai nga o le Blue Army ale mea.
And then mo se kupe, it's from the heart also.
Yeah,
Captain
that's
on the
it.
PT kang asolile ai pele, malo
There,
le mafuta mai na mula ul. Ngai mai ka ul pele. Le ai ele se kang from mule.
there.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you
Sorry,
on the
vai
spot.
o fa. O ele kap kangi le gang le so.
Ngala.
Wa es ya.
I'm gonna put you on the spot, Yoso. We're having a parade, so I'm waiting for the also DJ Noya and
Mm.
sort out because Ole Manu Samoa, so they're playing on Thursday night, Friday
Mm.
morning, Sydney
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
which is Brisbane time as well. So
Mm.
Ole we come for sort time also yeah DJ Noya. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe on Thursday evening. Yeah, Fairo se mako parade in Liverpool.
Oi, sorry. Ai. Wow.
So that's the plan, man. Ale ala wo vai a kole comments make aka. Befa fela Brisbane. Yeah, I'll leave it to you and Jerry.
Yeah. Say,
Yeah.
yeah, say,
No
fake man,
pressure,
say,
no
Blue
pressure,
Army,
also,
letting
no
it
pressure.
You know, like we got a lot of Samoans here. Yeah,
Yeah,
get off we got go, man. It's a go Samoa. Failo me Samoa o. He
yeah.
manga of we el Samoa me Brisbane for Isalako be. Oh, look at these guys. Let's do one. Let's one up them. But
That's
I
it. That's
reckon
it.
there'll be some viewers out west and also Logan and even
Mm.
here in Northside. They would love to be on board and celebrate with a parade. But the first thing you menga parades are for safety.
Yes,
I
yes.
safety. I man. Amu ia la Sydney wai oima DJ. Who's a
DJ
DJ?
Noya. DJ
Oh,
Noya Matang.
Moya.
So
See, my
we all
dad.
working together to sort out the parade for this
Oh, see.
weekend for the Manusan Moso, which is
Oh,
good.
that's it.
So
That's it. All right, Brisbane. Let's regroup. We're gonna tell you where we're gonna have a
pressure's
parade.
on, pressure's on, pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Because on the
Yes.
north side we don't do parades, but like the
Yeah.
pressure's on. If we can have one
Mm.
place where,
Nah.
well, we know like we'll be informed, but hey,
Check.
you guys parades, man. You're like you do it so good over there, and
Yeah.
that's awesome.
The whole
Ah,
the good thing, the whole of Sydney came to Liverpool. Ah. So
oh,
it all taught it on tangata my man through it. So they all
yeah,
came to Liverpool when we had our parade because nga umamako le for se fulu le po vai nga pa o my DJ from 6 e de ngase a DJ no ya
sorry. Kamasatsa o ang sorry. Ay.
So the good thing with our parade, everyone. So if you want to say goodbye or whatever before I finish it off, Superman, thank you very much, Uso. you know, it's a blessing for myself to meet you in person. Mo ia kalangoa lunga le, you know, on Facebook, Messenger, and all that. But man,
Yeah.
thank you for your loto atu nuu ia malo malanga mau mai I Brisbane. Ia e whesoso ani foi. I le melenga pai I compact ka.
Oh, that was good. You know, before we go, I know there's a lot of Supermen out there. Man, that's awesome. You know,
Yes.
there's a lot of superheroes and everything. We encourage that. Come out as your superheroes. And that's one story, just 1 minute. One story
Yeah.
is the reason why I wanted to be Samoan Superman, just to let everyone know. Because at that time we done the 2002 parade,
Yeah.
I had a son that was 4 years old, but I was thinking if there's something that will captivate him, it's superheroes. And I thought to myself, there's no better superhero than Superman. You got the S on the chest, the colors and that. Perfect. So thank you to Leifito for giving me my outfit. But man, that's good. You know, like we all come out in costumes, but at the end of the day, we all won also. Good luck
Yeah.
for your parade.
Thank you.
Yeah,
So,
mate, yeah, whatever. I will for the lay aku Superman. Yo,
come, please come. Okay,
Hey.
you some whawhetai lava, Charlie, molo wa no nei taimi whawhetai fo I mole whaamano mai olo taimi.
Much love to the 685 Blue Army. If you're not in the Sydney page or even the Brisbane page, please jump on. It's a group page.
Yeah.
But, you know, Ono, please, you are the man. Whawhakaike le lava ia oe, ma tangaro Dan, I ko Ongasai, and for pulling this off in Sydney, it was amazing. You know, like you said before, when I watched the video, it was like, wow, that's cool. But, you know, like we done one here in Brisbane as well. It's not a competition, but it
Yes,
was amazing.
100%.
Both of those marches were amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Pupusa uma. But whawhakai lava for putting me on, you know, like introducing me to the people, how Aurele Samoan Superman from Kabucha is.
Okay, you so whawhetai lava
Okay.
manuela fiafi,
Whawhakai
Charlie.
lava. Mangui lava. Yeah.
Yeah,
Bless, man. Bless everyone. Much love.
see you, brother.
See you, brother. Bye.
Ia, le nau tu whawhonga mai, sa mua mto sila mai. Ia, handsome, sa mua, Superman. Whatalo whātui tato pāanga. Ia, ele ngalo foi le na amataina o tato movement. O le uso po le tali ia fo leni masoe mai o iau kilani. Ia whapena foi le uso, ia, la tau tama tuia ia yoasa pele pali I whaftai mo le avanoa o maua. I nei fsosoani e foi le tato movement, ia o le uso foi ia Jerry Lale I Brisbane au se talia. Ia whapea foi le uso ia Tangaloa Dan, I nei sini lena mato o lua I le tamu whainga o le tato marching pat. Au mia lava, the most important thing o le tato safety. Ele ngata ele safety o oe, ai whamone mole. Ia mau le lima o lo walo whamone mole pe a whae tato parades. Pe ano whae ton leila. O fialua daddy e sivai o whaongare pese. Mami, le lima o tota. Ma le lima o san. Ai le o le alo daddy. Ai e kamo e koe mo o koe ke follow koe a daddy. Mami, hold le lima. Pe la whapapakiu ma mo kai kai mami's on the life. Whatara whatu ma futa mai a mosa mahe. Yes, Sydney will be on this week, but o le tau whetūnai. Pe te tau ona whaida tato parade, mō le tato manusa mo I le pōle aso tofi. I le whiawhila aso tofi le anga o lae a foi. O lae, sorry, nare wingata. Nanga leta alol manusa mo le pōle aso tofi a maramalas wharaili. So for those of you who want to watch the Manu Samoa game, they're playing on Thursday night, Friday morning. Oh yes, welcome Sina. Joshua Tolefua, Captain on le ai was a captain. Malora mafuta man near share to tato live. Those of you in Sydney, join our fan page for Sydney. Ese kusai. Esele page. Esele page Esele page ale fan page worldwide. Esele page of Brisbane, e se foi le peita Aukilani, e se foi le peita Sydney but o le page, le si page na o tau mawhai foi upgrade ai, so that everyone from everywhere is in that page. E ka o le Blue Army, it's just Blue Army. So if you haven't changed, then let me know. Or let everyone knows, like Jerry Lale in Brisbane, myself and Tangalo Danny in Sydney. Ia ma DJ Noia, ia whapena fo ia tato umalava. Anytime, anywhere, let's go. Do the same thing for both Team Toa and Manu, yes. Kele pages as our yeah, Olkako main page. We're just gonna keep the main page. So when we came on, I think it was only 67,000, yeah, 2 weeks ago. And now Wonoi Bafe. Yes. So we will post up a flyer for our parade here in Liverpool. But please, the main thing on the safety auto, you must be careful on the road. Parade. Man, please, 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 don't walk around with your flags on the road. Famun mole. Ele mana mia tātou uma whi parade. Ia ai whai me fo ingi New South Australia. Ia ma whaaleanga me tātou parade. Remember, we have a World Cup next year, so the parade needs to stay on. Famun mole. Ia mana mia le tātou ngā lue whaatasi. Awa e whaale kongulo fo i oko. Ia, whaale tonu fo i le malo Australia. Ia whaale kongu fo i la i leo kako. E mau te whiwala, ma Dan, ma DJ Noia, ma Jerry, ma Superman, ma namula ulu pele tamu whaia tātou parades. Ai ale discipline la kako. Ia woki a kon mea. But that's our live for tonight. Thank you very much for coming on. If you're not in those pages, please join in to those fan pages. So all the photos lengo kango pu ela so lasa. They all in that in the worldwide page. Ia mana page Sydney. Ia whapena for ima Australia. Eva Mai, are you free to talk? If you want to talk on live while I'm here, so you can give some information about the Manu Samoa game for Maurices. Can you come on? Or no? Or you at work? Yes, good. Okay. Eva Mai, I will add you on if you can come on. I added you, sis. So you can share what time is the Manu Samoa game? Okay. Yeah, I just added you on. You can turn off your camera if you don't want to show yourself. I'm adding you. Come on.
Good morning, good morning.
It's good evening over here.
Some of us just woke up.
Oh, surely. Okay. You want to share the information about the Manu Samoa games, especially this week, Asis?
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for the Avamore. Just a
good.
fan of the Manu, just another super fan like Ono of the Manu Samoa. But o kako o boys, we are playing our second match against Namibia on early hours Friday morning. It's going to be 4:30. Afale fale vaveao gaminga Samoa. And it is live and free on the Rugby Pass TV app. Ko lunga le Rugby Pass TV app. You have to sign on for register. But it's free. It's free mea. Bawa lo Wi-Fi pe lo data e alway de kokonginga. But otherwise, ole afale fa le vaveao kaiawa or Friday morning. Kusanga ole, I know it's 1:30 Queensland time, which will be.
So that will be 2:30 Sydney time.
Sydney time, so 2:30 Sydney time, yeah. So 2:30 Sydney time, 1:30 Queensland time, early hours in the morning, and 4:30 afale fa vaveao gaminga Samoa. So Namibia currently is, so the two hot teams are Namibia and Belgium. So Koya Namibia ma Belgium nela kako kawiai because o umanga kako fasile aunga o Brazil. O umanga we put them
Mga
in
sasa.
umanga sasa. O umanga sasa le aunga o Brazil. Koe lava o waifoi. O Namibia and it's a so'olo ma Belgium. Yeah.
Okay, Papataiva, stay online. Now, everyone, ladies and gentlemen who are online. We met on social media because I've been following her. She always goes live for our Samoan people, especially the sevens and the Manu Samoa games and international games. So she has, I think the last time I saw, she has more than 60,000 followers because of her service for our people. And this is what we do. We do it for the love of our 685 to the world. So that's Eva My 685 now. She has another page. It's called Eva My, but this is her new page now. So most of you, I always see your comments. You guys barbecue her, but she doesn't care because she loves the Manu Samoa all the way, and the Toa Samoa and the Seven. So that's how we came across, and she is one of the leaders in our Blue Army as well. So she's community information about the Manu Samoa, not the back information, it's just the game time and everything, then contact ia Eva mai whaftai lava sis molo no nefiaf on
No, it's
netao
fine.
inaya auto.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much for the
No
invitation.
worries. Yeah, have a good evening, have a good day.
Pasoi fua.
Yeah, party forever. Yeah, o le tatou live na nefiafi sa mo afa pe wai tuai mai. Yeah, I'm sorry, because Omato, it's right on time. And now I'm going to go and get some dinner ready. I'm going to go for a run. I'm going to go for a run. I'm just going to run to the kitchen and come back to the sitting room. Anyways, thank you very much for coming on board. Whaftai lava I le mafuta manefia fi share tato video Liverpool. So the flyer will be up very soon. Brisbane, yeah, now manafsili atu to leaders. Yeah, be face to parade au kilani. Yeah, na futa ba atu nana post mai lo so ya for leni be face to parade. Lofa atu foi a Filippo. Vai kako drum I le aso e fai e tato parade e kauwhinga pa oi o kako drum Ia, usa koe mo meskala kako toa please. O le tato toa ia o le terminate o le la ua holiday ia tamata alo ia ai toe mafuta I le lumanai toa ona nei ono ti Blue Army Sydney Australia manuia lo toa fiafi God bless.